Hi there everybody, welcome to another video. On today's video we're gonna reset the service due on this Mercedes w205. So this is a C-Class C220 2016, and I'm getting the service due on the dash, and well, basically it's coming up. Sometimes comes up there or comes up there. Service A due. Would you like to call for an appointment? But in this case we've done the service and we can reset it ourselves. So get your key and the ignition, position 1, press and hold the fun button here and the OK button simultaneously together until that menu comes up. Once that menu comes up, then you can go put your ignition key on position 2. You don't need to start the car, and then you can see the assist plus there. So with the arrow here, go down to the assist plus, press OK, go down to full service, press OK, go down to confirm service, press OK, and then choose the oil grade that you may have used. These oil grades here shown are also on the manual, and either you use one of the Mercedes approved like this, or you use one that they recommend. So I'm going to choose the first one there, and then I'm gonna go down to yes and press OK, and go down to confirm and press OK, and that is now confirmed. So now if you check your service interval, sorry, let's go to home, and then let's go to service, assist plus, service B1 in 365 days, and that's pretty much it. So hope the video helps. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.